Hello somebody, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's your girl Kelly. If you are new here, my name is Kelly. How are you guys doing? Warm welcome to you. If you are my new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. So today I'll have these moist Klaklo recipes to share with you guys. All I have here is 3 plantain, 2 banana, all ripe. I have some flour, baking soda, and some salt. So here, as you can see, I am smashing my banana. I am using my hand mixer, but if you don't have one, you can use your fork, then your hands. It's easier that way also. So to my flour here, I added my baking soda, a pinch of baking soda, and some salt. And then I am adding them to my smashed bananas. So make sure you just add them bit by bit to avoid any skip part or lump in your butter, your banana butter. Mix them well to have the balance inside the ingredient. Yep. So guys, that's what I'm doing right now. After mixing it well, as you can see, the butter is well mixed and smooth. Yeah, that butter is talking. You can know that you are having some good and delicious smooth Klaklo. Okay, so see the consistency. Oh my god, that is talking. So to this batter, yeah, leave it aside. Put your pot on fire, add your oil to it, let it warm up. Don't let it heat too much. Okay, so to my oil I am adding some cut onion just for the flavor, the smell. Yeah, so once your oil is warm up, don't let it like a bit too hot. You have burned Klaklo, you don't want that. So once it's warm, you add your butter to it, like the way I am doing. You can use your hands also, whichever way is good for you. Okay, so once you add them to it, about 1 to 2 minutes, try and flip them over. Flip them often to avoid any burn. You don't want burned fried food, right guys? So I would say about 4 minutes your Klaklo will be ready. So just make sure to flip them uh, often, and about 4 to 5 minutes your Klaklo will be ready. As you can see, mine is ready now, and I am going to take them out of the oil. See how it is. It was so soft, sweet, because of very sweet because of the banana, sweet but no sugar, natural sweet, guys. That's what you want. And now I am doing my second batch, and voila, I will enjoy. My kids cannot wait. This Klaklo didn't last 10 minutes in my kitchen, guys. I promise you, you will love it, and your kids will love it also. Just try it. The addition of the baking soda make a big difference. So that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So I thank you all for watching. You see my Klaklo, it was super good, super moist and delicious. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share on your platform. Subscribe to this channel, because we have some awesome dishes recipe coming up for you guys. Thank you. Bye. Au revoir.
mano witere